In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use QR code generator Figma plugin. Start by opening the Figma design where you want the QR code to live. It helps to zoom to the area or frame you plan to use, so you can place the code precisely. Next, open the plugin through Figma's quick actions. Press Ctrl-K to bring up the search, then type plugins and search for QR code generator. Select the QR code generator from the results to open and run it. If you don't see it at first, keep typing the full name until it appears. When the plugin window opens, you'll see a field where you can enter the data you want to encode, type or paste your content. Here this can be a URL, a short piece of text, or any data you want people to access by scanning. If you are using a web link, include the full address with the proper prefix, like https:// so scanners recognize it correctly. Shorter links usually create cleaner, easier to scan codes, so consider using a short URL if your link is very long. As soon as you enter your data, you'll see the QR code generate in the plugin preview. Take a moment to double-check the content for typos. The QR code is only as reliable as the data you provide. When you are ready, click Place QR Code or a similarly named button to insert the code onto your canvas as a vector graphic. Because it's vector-based, you can scale it up or down without losing quality. Drag it into position and resize from a corner to maintain proportions. Try to leave a bit of clear space around the code so scanners can read it more easily. To customize the look, select the QR code on your canvas and change its color from the design panel. High contrast works best. Dark code on a light background is the most reliable. Avoid very low contrast combinations or busy backgrounds, and use solid fills rather than gradients for consistent scanning. Finally, test your QR code. Open your smartphone camera or a QR scanning app. Point it at the code on your screen and make sure it instantly resolves to the correct link or text. If it doesn't, check your data entry and contrast, then try again. That's it. Thanks for watching.